Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad ke Sangma haka khat pratarik Risau Arajar Arfuar ula Plie Pajba ia ke Administrative Building jongga Krishi Vigyan Kendra West Khasi Hills District kabadon haka Shnong Nong Shillong kashnong kabadang hap hapo ka Mauthat Ration Constituency. Hagani kasngi Menteri Rangba ula sam ia ki kusnam bat ki sernot sya ginong rep nagabenta ka jing persyang jongki ban penon kam ia ki tiar rep kat kum gani ka juk ka bamenta bat ula pelaj pajba ru ia ka newsletter jongga KVK ka baju penmi man lau snem bat kum jo ia ki leaflet ki ba ai jing tip sya ginong rep haga rep karyang. Hagani ke jing yalang la sakhi lang da MLA ka Mauthat Ration Constituency uba H Brolding nong sit uba long ru haga jo ka por menteri jongga sarkar jilla ki officer jongga Eastern West Khasi Hills District bat kinong rep.
Ya, Pak Okan Krishi Vigyan Kendra kami hendak Shillong.
Ngidon hang ne hapo ka district kinong rep ki baklan maha karep karyang bat kari jengri Henry ngidon kam ya ka intervention jong ka sarkar kumta ngilong ki baran bok shisha da ka bayo ya gane ka chaka training namar kinong rep jongi ki bobon he kirang bot ya ke ke ba ki jule ki manshua ki longshua manshua bat ngirang don kam ban penbaha bat banyo ki jinghikai kat kum ki puj jonggane ka juk ngidon kam ban kentiu haporok khat ki jat kam bangi tre lada dei ki kam rep jing rep lane ki kam ri jingri ni tonbok sisha bakawan kanika institute hamne namar hangne kadon kitching eye training ban eye jing tip halor kibuj boper katkum ka juk kabamenta idon ki latest technologies baki kin eye jing tip kumno ban rep bat mandri jingri kidon ru ban pen i da ka balla da ka batre ya ki kam kidon ka jaka ban la ya kata kadon ru ka jing la research ban la testing ya ki mar rep bat kum juru ban ya ki ban ri jingri nata nalor kata kidon kinong hikai ki bala pentubit ba kidon ki scientist kidon ki specialist hakilan boper guyade bat ka kamrep kamryang bat ri jingri te kalong ka kabu kaba ngide ban sim namar lengba ke jing yo jing tip ke jing hikai nang ne ngila ban pen baha bat penyar ya karep karyang bat kari jingri ngimsa long kiba kam yo in kiu haka yo ka kot tang na kadao bang yo ya ki puj man rep hagar kom ka ba juk ka ba menta bat ka ban pen mentoi ru ya ka yo ka kot bat in salong ki ba kham ya chakmat ha ki benta mne tang hagar rep karyang re kari jingri bat ki wei ru ki benta jong ka jingim
Nso sarong bang yo ya kane ka kewip ke kane ka dik skim jong ka central kumno bagi beriu jungi kin yo ban kijing mentoy namarang ne kinai sibun ki training namanta ka rep karyang namanta ka rijing ri bat kuwei kajing don jong kane ka office ngangai bagi beriu jungi jong ka Eastern West bat kuwei kalong ka jing mentoy ka ba kraw ya kane ka dong ka thany ka jongi ngasoban kantu Juria kaneka department jong ka KWK lada kalong kabala nginang kampen bun ya kini ki demonstration kenang ba hang ni lada ngibu ikunuksa ngilale ikunuksa ki briu kujungi kiyo banpek kiyo ya kajing hikai ha kabibun ki kamrep lane ha karijingri Masnoba ka jington jong kane ka building hang ni ka airu ya ka jingsong tenat ya kane ka headquarter ka jungi hang ni apo nong sulong bang isodon bakru ba kane ka jaka ka dei ka jaka jong usim ka himau moyang ngamla ban klet yo usim jong ka himau moyang ubala ai subha ya kane ka jaka ka bahe ba kat kane ngila ai free of cost kamdon jingsi wei balada kamdon kane hima moyang kane kendo try ngila bandu ru ia kane ke office mereka jing ai kelut musim jong fis im kalong ke jing metoy ia kibriu jongi ha kane ke eastern west bat kunju ke weru kendet sal ngasobon ong ba ngisodon bak ba kane ke jeka jong musim ngidon hang ne artli ki jaka ba boundary ya kane ki jaka dos im jong kahima nong klau badus im jong kahima moyang sal ni sotanat ru ba kane ki jaka usim jong kahima moyang ula ai sumharu ya ka ayus hospital sa at least at this portion sa usim himau yang ula ai free of cost Indonesia ka ayus hospital ka ba sanpo jing tia ka dei ka CFC bat ya ka dei ka skim ngila dap ai lut ya ki dokumen baro nadu ka kibdit ki drawing and estimate bat menta kane ka project kadon ngilap ha da ka state hang tai hepo Delhi ngadang diskus mentah bot cimestar kapol mengenawan bala kumno nginsa leh ban budin no ia kane ke project ru nang bangin yo ban wanra ia kane ka ayus CFC sampau jing thia ha kane ke ju ko jaka marsnda bat kane ke office jong ka KWK ngangai badak jing tristom rengkat ucim minister bakane ka ayu solstaru ngangai kan salong kamno hakine kisnem bat kisngi ke banwan hande ngasum ong ba ngidon kamru ya ka CFC namar kane ka jeka kalap diang bun ba kinong song snong bat ngilap haru mensuai ka proposal na menta ban warna no ya ka CFC Ndre hadu mata susi benong kamla ban penlong mar ka daw baka sorkar kampala ban ascension ya kane ke CFC ka bakane ka CFC ro matrai kan hab set up hi haga ju kine ki area namar ka de jaka ba kam sentar tam na ka benta kam motarsan blok tiang ni ngason ai ka jingiro ru ya kinong tre jong ka KWK kila simkhia bag na sutu hamanla kisnong kilele ai training gumno ban rep gumno ban risniang ban ri merat kumta terter bangangai ba nang ne sakamat kane ka jaka jongi usim ulai ka behe ba bakin long kenuksa ba nang ne hi ken persang ban thung gi persang ban ri kanang ba kibriu jengi kinyo ban pe kum ka example ne kum ka duksa namata kumno kin thung jing thung da ka jingi kai bat kijing mata ka jongki kumno ban ya ri ya kimrat da ka jing mata bat jingi kai ka jongki ngai nang ne sakmat ban kan long ka jing mantoy na menta upai ba nong song snong jong ka ne ka dong ka than ka jongi
receiving the special memento and certificate as well as a gift hamper. Shamaris Elmaunai from Mairang Mission for her Singapore. Grosful Paryong Maukamoy, Integrated Farming Pendeng Umyong Village. Horticulture and agriculture components.
Dear friends, this particular building was supposed to be organized and inaugurated quite some time back, and because of different reasons we were not able to come and inaugurate this building. But it gives me immense pleasure today and a lot of happiness to finally be able to inaugurate this particular Krishi Vigyan Kendra. I would like to thank all the officials, all the departments, the HIMA, and all the other traditional heads who have contributed to making this project possible and for having organized this meeting to finally inaugurate this very long awaited KVK. Farmers have always been a top priority for our government. Farmers make up more than 70% of the population of the state. Most of the families who are there residing in our state depend on one or the other form of agriculture for their daily livelihood. And hence, to be able to have a very significant impact on the lives of the people of the state, we need to ensure that we are able to put enough investment in agriculture. As a government, we have been targeting to increase the income of the farmer, not just double, if possible even triple and even more. And we strongly feel that to be able to achieve that particular goal and target, apart from doing other schemes and other programs, the involvement of scientific practices and different forms of technology is very important to be able to achieve the goal of increasing the income of the farmer. Meghalaya government, this MDA government, in the last 4.5 years, large number of mission mode programs have been introduced in the state. Whether it's the jackfruit mission, whether it's the mushroom mission, the turmeric mission, the ginger mission, the aroma mission, the spice mission, and so on and so forth. The government has tried to ensure that specific areas and products are given importance. Apart from doing that, we have invested a lot on different kind of technology that should be provided to the farmers. We have introduced the largest welfare scheme for the farmers, which has not been done in any other part of the region of the Northeast. And in the history of the state of Meghalaya, it is the largest program ever for the farmers, which is called Focus and Focus Plus. And through this scheme, we are distributing close to 400 crores annually into the producer group accounts and into the individual accounts of different farmers. The process started last year, and as of now, we have over 2.5 lakh farmers who have registered with us. The goal of this project or this particular scheme is to ensure that the farmers are able to get the necessary working capital they need in order to meet their requirements as and when they need it. The goal of this program is to be able to create small banks among the different producer groups that are there in the state today. So imagine that the Focus and the Focus Plus scheme, where annually close to 400 crores will be given to the producer groups and to the farmers. Imagine if we can do this every year for the next 10 years. Which means after 10 years, there will be liquid cash available to the farmers to the tune of 4,000 crores. And this revolving fund that will be there in the producer groups can then be used for the use of the members within the group. And the idea is not to just spend it. The idea is to use it and put it back, use it and put it back, keep increasing it. And slowly and steadily in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years time, liquid cash and proper liquidity will be available to the farmers at the grassroots level to the tune of almost 5,000 crores in a matter of 10 years. So it is with this kind of a vision that we are moving forward. But while we do all of these programs and try to lift up the farmers, without the intervention of right technology in today's world, the right training, a scientific approach, we will not be able to achieve the goals in a faster pace. This is the age of technology. Scientific practices are a must for farmers. And hence, this KVK will play a very, very important and crucial role in ensuring that the proper training is given to the farmers, the right technology is provided to them, different kind of diseases that are there, which are happening throughout the world because of climate change and other reasons. These KVKs in different parts of the state will be able to give the necessary scientific background and scientific support to the farmers. And hence, I am very happy that ICAR and Government of Meghalaya and Government of India have taken the initiative. I'm very happy that our local leadership, our traditional heads, have given this land so that this beautiful building could come up. But now it is up to the department and up to the ICAR and other officials and the farmers to make this building into a center of excellence where research happens, where scientific processes are done, where diseases are studied, where training is given to the farmers so that their income can go up. My only suggestion and request to the department would be that we need to tailor the kind of services that we give. Every area is unique. Every area has its own advantages, its own strengths, its own challenges. And hence, study those areas. Study the opportunity which may be not being done by the farmers now. There may be some products that may be growing better out here or can grow better out here. And yet the farmers have not gone into that. The demand for these products might be there in the markets outside. These are the inputs that our farmers need. And if we are able to do that, that is when you'll be making a real difference in their lives. Using your knowledge, using your research for the right purpose. And hence, let it not be a cut and paste model of simply doing the things which you're doing in other KVKs you do out here. That will not work. What you need to do is you need to make it into a tailored approach. Do what is beneficial and the strengths of this area, focus on those, at the same time ensure that the challenges, the conditions are different out here, the different kind of environmental issues that are here, maybe here, the water issues that may be here. How do we ensure that this KVK becomes a center of excellence to be able to help the farmers get a better income and overall improve the farming productivity, as well as improve the overall value addition that they could do to the different products, multi-cropping that they could do, technology-driven farming, different kind of scientific-driven farming, different kind of food processing technology. These are key areas which I'm sure you are very well versed with, and I'm sure that you will ensure that a very, very specific tailor-made approach to the people of this region is given.